What is the most important mineral for having healthy and strong bones? Answer A, calcium. What is the main vitamin obtained from citrus fruits? Answer B, vitamin C. What is the name of the layer that surrounds the Earth and protects it from the sun's rays? Answer C, ozone layer. Where does the sun hide? Answer A, it doesn't hide. How are words arranged in a dictionary? Answer B, alphabetical order. Which of the following foods is rich in protein? Answer C, chicken. How many seconds are there in a day? Answer A, 86,400. Where is the statue of Christ the Redeemer located? Answer C, Rio de Janeiro. What is the system of the human body that allows us to exchange gases with the environment? Answer A,